And we're getting in these latest visuals from Prayagraj, where Amit Shah is there for the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. Now, Union Home Minister Amit Shah expressed his anticipation of participating in the ongoing Mahakumbh Mela by taking a dip at the Sangam and seeking blessings from the saints. Now, he also took to Twitter and said that Mahakumbh is a symbol of unity and continuous flow of Sanatan culture. He added that Mahakumbh showcases the life philosophy of Sanatan Dharma, which is rooted in harmony. He went on to say that he is eager to take a dip at Sangam and receive the blessings from Saint at his great festival of unity and integrity in the holy city of Prayagraj. Latest visuals of the same on your screen, where Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is accompanying Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who will be taking a dip at the holy Sangam. Now, Amit Shah is scheduled to bathe at Mahakumbh in Prayagraj in just some moments from now. The Home Minister is also expected to meet several saints in Prayagraj, including the Shankaracharyas of Puri and Dwarka. The Mahakumbh festival will last until February 26. Earlier, just days back, we also got in visuals where it was Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath who was taking a dip at the Holy Sangam, and now visuals there on your screen of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who is there at the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj, where he will be taking a dip at the Holy Sangam. He is meeting several saints now. He also met Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. Now, Amit Shah arrived in Prayagraj for the Mahakumbh Mela, expressing his eagerness to take a dip at the Sangam Ghat and receive blessings from Saint. He called the Mahakumbh a symbol of Sanatan culture and unity. Now, Amit Shah's visit will also include Bade Hanuman Temple and Juna Akhada visit. After taking a holy dip, Amit Shah will also be visiting the Bade Hanuman Temple and Juna Akhada. Just few moments back, after arriving in Prayagraj, Amit Shah was received with a warm welcome from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath along with his cabinet ministers. Now, after taking a dip at Triveni Sangam, Amit Shah is slated to visit the Bade Hanuman Temple and Abhayavat. He will also visit Juna Akhada for a meeting and lunch with the sages. Following this, he will head to Guru Sharanand Ji's ashram to meet both Guru Sharanand Ji and Govind Giri Ji Maharaj. His itinerary includes a meeting with the Shankaracharyas of Sringeri, Puri and Dwarka. The visit will conclude with his departure for Delhi in the evening. Now, remember, since the commencement on January 13 with Posh Purnima, Mahakumbh has attracted over 110 million devotees who have taken sacred baths at Prayagraj during the initial fortnight. Now, the Sangam, the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and now extinct Saraswati rivers remain a significant spiritual designation. I'm told that we are being joined by our colleague from Prayagraj. Let's listen in.
नगरी में उनकी मौजूदगी है और तकरीबन 7.5 घंटे वो रहने वाले हैं यहाँ प्रयागराज में। इसके अलावा आपको बता दें, जूना अखाड़ा में कार्यक्रम को लेकर तैयारी की गई है। वहां पर भी तमाम जो मठाधीश है, महामंडलेश्वर है, शंकराचार्य पहुंचेंगे। वहां पर भी मुलाकात वो गृह मंत्री।
All right, we have Vinod Bansal of the VHP who's joining us on the phone line. Vinod Bansal, it's a holy movement for all Sanatanis. Amit Shah there taking a dip at the Triveni Sangam. He's being flanked by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Truly, this moment, the Mahakumbh Sangam has come after 144 years. Please talk to us more about it.
Definitely, it's a glorious time, and it's a marvelous and imaginary things which the not only the country, the world is seen. The thing is that कि आप देखिए जिस तरह के अरेंजमेंट किए गए हैं अभूतपूर्व, अद्वितीय, मैं कहूंगा कि मतलब एक दिव्य और भव्य नजारा इस समय पूरे संगम नगरी का देखने को मिल रहा है। एक पूरा जिला बसाया गया एक छोटे से समय में, और आप देखिए इतना बड़ा अरेंजमेंट करना कि 1 करोड़ लोग पर डे आकर के चले जाएं, ऐसा दुनिया में आज तक कहीं हुआ है क्या? इट हैज नेवर बीन हैपन इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री। और आप देखिए कि वो भी सब लोग जब आने वाले हैं वो अभिभूत होकर जाएं कि देखिए क्या जबरदस्त अरेंजमेंट है, किस तरह का माँ गंगा ने, माँ सरस्वती ने और यमुना ने बुलाया है हमें, और आकर के हम डुबकी लगा के जा रहे हैं। और आप देखिए कि जो लोग अब तक इस पर राजनीति करते थे, उन राजनीतिक लोगों को भी मुझे लगता है कि अब सब लोगों को एक साथ माफी मांग लेनी चाहिए। जो कहते थे कि भाई अगर होली डिप लगाओगे तो आप बीमार हो जाओगे, आप मर जाओगे। कुछ लोग कहते थे कि जो पापी हैं वही जाते हैं। अब रिसेंटली कांग्रेस के एक नेता हैं, वो दल भाई तो एकदम दलदल करने लग गए एकदम। वहां पर देखिए कि मक्का को तो प्रेस कर रहे हैं, मक्का में इतना एक्सेप्शनली अरेंजमेंट होता है, लेकिन इसको कभी देखा नहीं उन्होंने। और वो कहते हैं बीमारियां फैल जाएंगी, लोग एक साथ स्नान करेंगे तो क्या होगा, जाने क्या हो जाएगा। ये जो इस तरह की जो माइंडसेट है, मुझे लगता है मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी को इसमें अविलंब माफी मांगनी चाहिए इसको लेकर के। लेकिन खैर ये राजनेता हैं और राजनीतिक दल हैं जो कि वास्तव में अपनी गंदगी फैलाने से बाज नहीं आते, चाहे कुंभ में कितनी पवित्रता बरस रही हो।
Vinod Bansal there talking to us about the significance of Mahakumbh. Now remember visuals of that on your screen, viewers, of Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, who is taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. The historic moment has come after 144 years. Senior Executive Editor Aishwarya Kapoor is joining us on the phone line on the broadcast. Aishwarya, please take over. All right, we seem to have lost that connection with Aishwarya, but taking you through the visuals that are there on your screen, Home Minister Amit Shah is in Prayagraj. He is taking part in the Kumbh Mela 2025. He arrived Prayagraj at 11:25 today, where he is taking a holy bath at the Triveni Sangam. Now, after this, Amit Shah's itinerary includes a visit to Bade Hanumanji Temple and Abhayavat. Later, the Home Minister will proceed to Juna Akhada, where he will meet the Maharaj and other saints of Akhada and have lunch with them. Now, Amit Shah's schedule also includes visit to Guru Sharanand Ji's ashram, where he will meet Guru Sharanand Ji and Govind Giri Ji Maharaj and conclude his visit with a meeting with the Shankaracharyas of Sringeri, Puri and Dwarka. Just few minutes back, Amit Shah had also tweeted expressing his eagerness to take a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. He said that Mahakumbh is a unique symbol of uninterrupted flow of Sanatan culture. Kumbh reflects the eternal philosophy of life based on harmony. He said that he was eager to take a dip in the confluence and seek the blessings of the saint in his great festival of unity. I believe I am being joined again by Aishwarya. Aishwarya, it's a historic moment. Amit Shah there taking a dip at the holy Triveni Sangam. Please take over.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, visuals are self-explanatory. Home Minister Amit Shah alongside Kailash Anandji, Avdesh Anandji, and all the 5 top seers of the country with the Home Minister taking that holy dip at the holy Sangam. It's once in 144 years that such a celestial position happens according to the Sanatan Dharma, and Home Minister not forgetting to take that holy dip alongside his whole family. His whole family is also there, but right now the top 7 seers of the country, including Avdesh Anandji of Juna Akhada and Kailash Anandji, in presence of Home Minister Amit Shah, present right there, taking the holy dip, doing the rituals. That is the Achman which is being done by Home Minister Amit Shah. The visuals are self-explanatory, as I just mentioned, the top 7 seers of the country, alongside the Home Minister of the country, at the Triveni Sangam right there. The Home Minister doing the holy Achman right there before he takes that dip. Kailash Anandji and Avdesh Anandji present, the top 2 seers alongside the other 5 present, alongside the Home Minister. The Home Minister has taken a stock-taking meeting prior to this dip with the UP Chief Minister, keeping in mind that In total of 45 to 48 crore devotees are going to be present there till the 23rd of February. A massive security apparatus has been deployed by Centre as well. So Home Minister mixing